I know many words but can't speak English. Many English learners face the same problem. They know a lot of English words, but when they try to speak, they struggle. If you feel this way, don't worry. You are not alone. This is a common issue for many people learning a new language. In this video, we will discuss why this happens and how you can improve your speaking skills. Why can't I speak English even though I know many words? There are several reasons why you might find it difficult to speak English, even if you have a good vocabulary. Let's look at some of these reasons. 1. Lack of practice. Speaking a language is different from knowing words. If you don't practice speaking, it will be hard to use the words you know in a conversation. 2. Fear of making mistakes. Many learners are afraid of making mistakes. They don't want to sound silly or incorrect. This fear stops them from speaking. 3. Thinking in your native language. If you think in your native language and then try to translate your thoughts into English, it can be slow and confusing. 4. Not knowing how to use words in sentences. Knowing a word is different from knowing how to use it correctly in a sentence. You may know many words, but you might not know how to connect them properly. 5. Lack of confidence. If you don't feel confident in your speaking skills, you might hesitate to speak. Confidence comes with practice. 6. Not listening enough. Listening to English helps you understand how words are used in real conversations. If you don't listen to English often, it can be hard to improve your speaking skills. How to improve your English speaking skills. Now that we understand why speaking is difficult, let's talk about how to improve. Here are some practical tips to help you start speaking English fluently. 1. Start speaking every day. You need to practice speaking every day. Even if you don't have someone to talk to, you can still practice alone. Here's how. Talk to yourself in English about your day. Describe what you see around you. Read a short paragraph aloud. 2. Don't be afraid of mistakes. Making mistakes is a part of learning. No one speaks perfectly in the beginning. The more you practice, the better you will get. Don't worry about grammar or pronunciation too much at first. 3. Think in English. Instead of thinking in your native language and translating, try to think directly in English. This will help you speak faster and more naturally. 4. Use simple sentences. Start with simple sentences. Don't try to use difficult words or long sentences in the beginning. For example, I like apples. She is my friend. I go to school every day. 5. Listen to English daily. Listening helps you understand pronunciation and sentence structure. You can watch English movies and TV shows, listen to English songs, follow English podcasts, listen to English news. 6. Join a conversation group. If possible, join an English conversation group. Speaking with others will help you gain confidence and improve your fluency. 7. Practice with a speaking partner. Find a friend or a language partner to practice speaking. If you don't have one, you can find speaking partners online. 8. Use apps and online tools. There are many apps and websites that can help you practice speaking, such as Duolingo, HelloTalk, Tandem, BBC Learning English. 9. Record yourself speaking. Record yourself speaking and listen to it. This will help you identify mistakes and improve your pronunciation. 10. Learn common phrases and expressions. Instead of only learning single words, try to learn full phrases. For example, how are you? Nice to meet you. I don't understand. Can you repeat that? 11. Read and speak aloud. Read books, newspapers, or articles in English and say the words out loud. This helps you improve pronunciation and fluency. 12. Use shadowing technique. Shadowing means listening to someone speaking English and repeating exactly what they say. You can do this with audiobooks, YouTube videos, movies with subtitles. Imitate native speakers. Try to copy the way native English speakers talk. Pay attention to their pronunciation, tone, and rhythm. 14. Set goals. Set small goals to improve step by step. For example, speak for 5 minutes every day. Learn 5 new phrases every week. Have a 10-minute conversation in English once a week. 15. Be patient and keep practicing. Learning a language takes time. Don't get discouraged. Keep practicing and you will see progress. Conclusion. If you know many words but can't speak English, don't worry. This is a normal part of learning. The key is to practice speaking every day, listen to English, and be confident. Mistakes are part of learning, so don't be afraid to speak. Follow these tips, and soon you will be able to speak English fluently. Remember, the most important thing is to keep trying and never give up. Happy learning!